In this video, I'm going to be going over the Boxc back office and showing you guys how to navigate. Now, by this time, you should have already created your account and you probably received a pop-up that was to authorize fulfillment by Boxc. Make sure you do that. That right there just enables Boxc to interact with your account. So now we're in the back office. We'll go ahead and start off at the top left. If you look at the information right here, a lot of the quick information to be on your first screen. Information about shipment, fulfillment, returns, and the API if you use, like Facebook, or if you have an app and you want to plug in Boxc. This works pretty much with everything that's out there. So let's start off with billing. We don't have any billing right now, so there won't be anything I can show you guys right here, but the button balance speaks for itself. You click here, it is show my balance with Boxc. And typically what a balance would be is, when you are ordering products, Boxc will just pull from your balance and go ahead and make sure they handle all the shipping and fulfillment costs. So balance will show up there, invoices will show here. So once you start to ship and fulfill with Boxc, your invoices will all be here, and you'll be able to download those if you need them as well. So payment, this is probably the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add funds to your account so you can start shipping. Now there's 3 ways to do it. There's the bank transfer, which normally takes between 1 and 2 days to transfer the funds to Boxc. Right below here, you'll see the bank information. You'll see the account information. You'll see the wire and the routing number and the SWIFT code. So all the information you need for a transfer. There's also the Alipay, which I don't use. I'm not sure. Some people might use that, but the credit card is the most popular and the simplest way right now because it adds the funds to your account instantly. So select credit cards, put the amount of money that you want to add to your Boxc account. Now I say, I don't really give you a minimum, but it all depends on the products you're shipping. So if your product costs $5, then you don't want to add $10 to your Boxc account. You want to at least add $50 to $100, enough for you to make sure you are fulfilling. So add your amount, your card number, the billing address that matches the card, and add your CAPTCHA. After you're done, you can choose to save the card or you can choose to not save it. So I suggest saving it, definitely if it's a business card. So that's payments, your balance, your invoices, and how to add a payment. Here on applications, you guys won't be using this as much unless you are more on the technology side, but we can actually create tokens and use these tokens as APIs for other softwares and other platforms. So I'll go into that in another video when we go into some more advanced trainings about Boxc. Let's go on down to settings. If you click on settings and click on company address, now this is the address for your company's address for customs clearance. This is required and it won't appear on the label, so you don't have to be worried about putting an address that you don't want people to see. So you put your company's name at the top, phone number, address, city, state, postal code, and the country. Very self-explanatory. You fill this out with your company's address, right? So this has to be accurate. You want this to be up to date. Now you want to click on return address. Now return address, this is the beauty of Boxc's, because a lot of us are using Boxc's warehouses as our return address. We don't even have products going back to our homes. We have it going to our warehouse, and where it could easily have a new sales label slapped on it and shipped out to a new customer, saving money. So the restocking fees are eliminated. So this address will appear as a return address on your labels and is optional. You can provide just your company name and it will still appear on labels. So here's what I would typically do. I would just put my company's name, and I won't fill any of this out because I want to use Boxc's warehouse. So that's good enough for me to use, and their address will pop up on everything else. So let's go on to Authorized Users. Authorized Users is the tab that you will be able to give authorization to somebody to manage your Boxc account. So if you have virtual assistants, or if you have a team, you have administrative assistants, or if you have somebody just handles the shipping and fulfillment, which I suggest everybody does, you can just simply add them in by email to give them access to your Boxc account. And I'll just show you one right now. I'll type that in. Search for and add an authorized user. You just tap that. So actually, I don't have an account with this one right now, so it wouldn't pop up. Let's see if I can use one of my primary accounts and I can try to add it through there for this demonstration. If not, guys, it's very self-explanatory. Up there it is right there. So I can give access to anybody. So if you are a client and you are looking to get your Boxc fulfillment and shipping handled by us, you can simply go here and add us on as authorization, and we will handle everything for you. If you want us to handle the shipping, fulfillment, the returns, billing, and application. Now, of course, this will be a different fee assessed to it, but the good thing is you have the option if you guys don't want to do it. Clicking down on personal, down here is where you will actually find pretty much, what it says, your personal information. So let me go ahead and click on this tab and wait for it to load up. So right here, it's just your personal information, your name. You can always change your website, and if your language you would like to change it, you can also deactivate your account whenever you want. If you want to change your email, you can simply go right here to change the email. You change the password and notifications. You will receive an email when your balance goes below this value. So if you are running a high volume company, you want to make sure that your account is full so that Boxc can handle these shipments for you. So this right here is where you can set your threshold and check the box. I wish to receive a daily email to notify me when my packages are returned to a Boxc facility. I always select information because you definitely want to see how things are going and where things are with your business. Down here to support, the company they over deliver with support. They are right-handed, and we have a really good relationship with the co-founder and the head of the marketing department. So anything we really need to get done and get squared away happens usually in the first 24 hours. But I'm sure this is all across the board for all of their customers and their clients. So if you click on Boxc support, it'll take you right to the support page where you can go through. If you have a request, any issues right here, click up to this top to submit a request. 9 times out of 10, you can probably search an issue that you had and find a solution to it from one of our facts and questions here, or the quick start. So here's where you go for support. If you're looking to contact Boxc, right here you'll click on the contact us button, and it'll have your email. You'll choose the application and whether it's an issue with API, fulfillment, returns, or shipment. Go ahead and state what the issue is, send them a description, and just press submit. Very, very, very easy to contact them. And then the last button is the partners. It shows you that this company has a great reputation. It shows you who we are partnered with. It shows you that we are the biggest thing since Amazon, and we are here to make changes and help people win. So I hope that was informative. That showed you guys the back office, the dashboard of Boxc. To the right, you'll see your name. This is your account number. You'll always need this. If you have multiple accounts, you can switch them right here. I have a few, so I can click this button to switch an account. If I wanted to, I'll just go ahead and switch that to that one right there. And you'll see that I'm on another account. You click the settings buttons right here, and it'll take you straight to the personal. So that's just another way to get to your personal page. Here's your account balance up in the right hand. Another quick way to access it. If you want to make a payment, just click on make a payment, and you can add money to your Boxc account. And this is for notifications right here. It'll show your notification, your recent activity. Hope this video was informative, just showing you the Boxc dashboard, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.